The reason that we're doing this specific adjustment, this is called an anterior thoracic. So the reason that we're doing this adjustment is because women sometimes when they have a lot of postural issues, the bra strap, right where the bra is, will be pushing forward. So that continuous pressure of the bra strap pressing on that part of the spine, what happens is it pulls, the bra strap will pull that segment forward and it'll cause like pain. And even though you won't feel it, it's just like a gradual change of the bra strap pulling on. So that's why we're doing this specific adjustment. Okay, so what you do is give yourself a nice little hug there. You take a deep breath in, tuck your chin, tuck your chin, tuck your chin, and then all the way out. Just like that. One, and then this one out. Two. Good job.
Whoa.
I know, dude. I know.
This is crazy, Jules.